Paige and I'm a stylist here at Bleach London. Welcome to the Bleach Lab. We're going to go through a few different techniques that will help make bleaching at home really safe and easy. Before you go anywhere near a bowl of bleach, you're going to want to strand test your hair. And we do this for a few different reasons. Firstly, to check the condition of the hair. Second, to check the colour. And thirdly, to check if your hair reacts with the bleach. Something that's also really important to bear in mind is the shape and the width of your hair strands and how the bleach affects them. Bleaching thicker, coarser hair can be left on for a longer period of time than finer, coily hair. Firstly, I'm going to talk about having your hair in quarter sections. This makes it neater and easier for you to bleach. Secondly, we're going to talk about applying the bleach to the front first. This way that you can keep track of timing and you can rinse off the front first if needed. We always start applying the bleach 2 centimetres to 2/3 away from the root. This is because the ends need a little bit of a head start because they normally take a little bit longer to lift as they don't have the heat from your scalp. So after you've applied all of the ends, you can then go ahead and apply from the roots. This allows for a much more even lift overall. Something that I like to recommend is having a mirror set up behind you so that you can see the back of your head whilst you're bleaching. A little bit like this. I also recommend to take nice thin slices with the end of your pintail comb. This allows for a much easier application as well as a better bleach. We also want to make sure that you're saturating the hair really well. Adding more bleach to the hair is not going to change the condition, it will just allow for a much more even lift. Smoosh! We talk about smooshing all the time here at Bleach, and it's where you give the product a real good massage into the hair, and that allows for a much more even distribution of the product and an even lift in the long run. We also like to do a scrape test, which you can use your trusty comb or your tint brush, and you can just move away some of the product, and that allows you to see the colour as well as the condition. And don't forget your toner. Toners are an essential part of bleaching as they balance out the blonde and give you a really good base to put whatever colour you want on top of it. If you're not sure on what toner to pick, you can head on over to our toner video and it will help you choose which one is best for you. Thanks so much for watching. If you have any other questions, feel free to get in touch and go ahead and check out our other videos.